Cinetruck Howo 6x4 Sprinkler Truck. We have both brand new and used trucks. It has a tough and stylish appearance and a solid and reliable body. With the powerful 6x4 drive and a large capacity water tank combined with an efficient sprinkler system, it has a wide sprinkling range and uniform water pressure. Whether it is for urban road cleaning, dust suppression at construction sites, or garden irrigation, it can complete tasks excellently. Cinetruck Howo has excellent quality and stable performance. Choosing our sprinkler truck means choosing efficiency and reassurance. Come and own a Cinetruck Howo 6x4 Sprinkler Truck and create a beautiful environment together.